Hi everyone, and welcome back. I decided that I'm going to cover my chairs that I've had for some time now with a drop cloth. That's right. This is the look I've been trying to give for some time now. I finally decided just do it. And this is the look that I've been wanting. As you see, I did my research and everything. And I wanted to see about having slipcovers made. Then I decided, look, I think I can do this myself. Well, let's see what happened. And look at the cost. $600 to $900 for slip covers and not custom upholstery. Now this is when I decided I can try and do this myself. Then I researched my chair and saw the cost of that. I'm like, yeah, I think this is worth the challenge. Not a part of the Moore family? Subscribe. And the good thing about these Fairfield chairs is that they're not going out of style. They're timeless. And you notice it's the newest trend is to have the round back chairs. So I'm really glad that I invested in these. Okay, let's get started. Now I gathered up everything that I needed. And then I decided not to use my sewing machine that's brand new, still in the box. I had it for about 3 years now. So I decided to just go with hand sewing. Everything fit perfect, and I decided again that I wanted to fit loosely. I want to be a loose slip cover that I can just pull off and wash at any time. I didn't want it to be tailored or detailed, more like a shabby chic look. There's 4 pieces used for the front and 1 whole piece used for the back. Right here, I'm demonstrating exactly how I brought all the pieces together and to attach to the one piece in the back. Everything is hand sewn, as you will see here. I decided to have one piece that connected all the way around in the back of the chair. And I'm only doing this with hand stitching and some gluing, fabric glue. Yes, it was quite a challenge, but I was up for it. I've always wanted to cover my chairs myself, and I thought this would be a simple and quick and easy way of doing it. And it was. Now, do you find it hard to find slip covers for your furniture? Comment down below and let me know. I purchased these chairs ago in my art studio, and I needed chairs for my clients when they came in. And I was willing to invest in some nice, sturdy, and strong chairs. When I look for furniture, I always want to find something that can stand the test of time. And what I mean by that, I'm not buying another set of chairs after 2 or 3 years of wear and tear. And antique, strong chairs usually work for me. Now, you may have to pay a little more money for them, even though they've been around for some time, but I find that it's worth it. And we're done. And just 5 easy pieces with a drop cloth, this is what I was able to do. So let's compare. This is the price I found in my research, $600 to $900. Okay. And this is what I found as far as my Fairfield chairs up to date now. And this is my result. I'm going to just switch up pillows to see what look I want and to show you how you can just change up the style, change up the pillows, and it give you a new look. Now, will I, in the time to come, have my chairs professionally upholstery did to my chairs? Yeah, but I'm enjoying my slip covers from a drop cloth. The pillows here that I decided to go with are Thrifty Finds, and you can say I just put together a high-end look at low cost. Then after switching out so many pillows, I decided that these would be the one. They fit just right. I hope you enjoy watching me put this together, Now this was the look I was going for. Loose fitting slip covers. And to think, out of a drop cloth. I met my challenge. How about you? With just 5 simple pieces and a drop cloth, I was able to get high-end slip covers. Even though I sewed this by hand, I'll soon be bringing out my sewing machine, taking it out of the box for my next big project. So come back and visit me and see what I'll be coming up with for my next project. I have several videos coming out, and one will include my living room tour. See you next time. Be safe and be blessed. Thank you, Amores.